Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to sous vide and make a pork loin roast beautiful and moist. The roast is in a vacuum sealed bag and the sous vide is ready. We're using frozen roast, so an additional 30 minutes are required for frozen. Now through the magic of YouTube, you see what the roast looks like once it's out of the bag. It's pretty gross and not appealing at all. Well, we're going to sear the roast in a very hot cast iron skillet with a little bit of oil. You'll see once it's seared on both sides, it really looks great. And you will see that the slices are perfectly cooked. We're serving it with cherries and red wine sauce on a bed of cherry pilaf. You can find the pilaf recipe and the sauce recipe on the blog post on the Good Plate. Until we meet again, enjoy.